Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with your micros market recap. Today is Monday, December 13th. It is almost 4 p.m. here Eastern Time. Our markets are winding down here. Oil is done. Let's get into it. Let me move this drawing tool out of the way for you and get right into what happened today. So if we scroll back, just having seen scroll back, you can tell there wasn't a whole lot of movement in one direction in the market. We opened just below Friday's close, made a move down to our HVA edge, got a stellar winner there, two winners at this edge actually, one monster, and then eventually we came back over to where we opened and higher, and that was for the most part all she wrote within this HVA high volume area. It did not want to break out, but that was about four winners that I can see from oil alone, micro oil. Now gold, again, gold has been very quiet lately, especially with the holiday volume kicking in. Opened just above Friday's close. That was around here or so. But you can see hit this edge that we have marked, held, and then melted on its way up to this edge where it held, and we had two winners there that were available in gold. Now the micro ES, blow this up for you, a little bit more action than oil or gold there. Still pretty choppy day nonetheless. There were a handful of opportunities, some trending opportunities for that matter. But we opened inside of Friday's range, below the close. They decided to take this back into the range. We had one awesome entry there that triggered for those of the students that took it, if they took it. And then as it came down, we had another handful of entries based off of our methodologies. Some trending, some off those edges that we give out the night before. But for the most part, these edges held really well. These high volume areas that we have, there's three here that I can see, four actually in terms of entries as winners. So that's six winners that I can see right there in the micro ES. We haven't really made a ton of headway beyond the range from Friday. We are definitely lower. We're closing lower, so it is a down day from from Friday's close by about 40 points or so. But it is what it is. Slow day, slow and choppy. It's okay. We still had plenty of opportunity in the markets. Now moving on to micro Nasdaq. See if I can get this over here for us. Now, the NASDAQ had a little bit more movement in it compared to Friday's, because if you recall, Friday's movement in the NASDAQ, micro NASDAQ, wasn't as much as we had seen as the micros, micro ES. Now, last Thursday, we had a lot more action in the micro NASDAQ, but looks like today was about the same as that previous Thursday. So I get here to the open, just scroll back just ever so slightly. Well, you can see that we opened just above the close from Friday. Immediately they want to bring this thing back towards the bulk of the volume in Friday's range, where we have tons of opportunity here. If you took it, that's one. This one is two there actually. That's what, 5, 6 entries that I can see right there within the first 15 minutes. 7, all winners. Right? Boom. These edges are excellent. Now, NASDAQ is one that will move around a bit. It's got quite a large action in terms of its spread and price. Easily go down, 10 points, 20 points in a single turn, blink of an eye. But it moved after being slightly higher than Friday's range. It surpassed the low from Friday, as you can see here, giving several opportunities again for entries, both long and short, before coming back into the main body of the volume. And then finally coming down and ending where we are right now. Now, if you're curious what you just heard, that is another automated system that we're currently working on, or I am, to assist you in your trading, but it's just in its testing phase right now at the moment. Let's get into some entries, maybe one or two entries that some students sent in. This entry's from Doug. Usually he's in the micros. With today, he did a regular entry in the mini oil here. Nothing against him on that. Volume was a little bit thin today in the micros, especially in micro oil. So to protect himself from stops and slippage, I'm sure this is what he did. But based off of our methodologies, and we had already pointed out these winners in our video, same edge, but he had a good almost 20 ticks with a one lot. Yeah, so up $150 or so, 146 or something like that after commissions. But Doug is doing an excellent job in his education. If you guys are interested in finding out more information about our HVA levels or our education in general, feel free to reach out to us. We have a Facebook page, or you can go to our website at targettradingacademy.com. Visit us there, get in touch with a representative, and they will gladly show you why we are the #1 trading education company in the world and why we have so many live, successful students trading in our rooms. We look forward to seeing you.